Hello everyone, welcome to HW News. What happens when the security of the richest Indian is compromised? We came to know yesterday as the events unfolded in Mumbai outside Antilia, the towering residence of Mukesh Ambani. An abandoned vehicle with explosive material was found near Reliance Industries Limited chairman Mukesh Ambani's house. The bomb scare happened just meters away from where India's richest man lives under high security. According to police, a suspicious vehicle, a Scorpio to be precise, was reported on Carmichael Road on Thursday evening. The police was alerted and a bomb detection and disposal squad or BDDS team and other police teams reached the spot immediately. They examined the vehicle and found that 20 explosive gelatin sticks were inside it. It was not an assembled explosive device. However, after getting the information, police reached the spot in large numbers. The investigation is still going on. Police also went through the recordings of the CCTV footages in the area, and one of the CCTV footages from nearby shop showed that the car was parked near Antilia at around 1 a.m. Security has been then increased in the area and the SUV has been seized by the police, and senior officers of Mumbai Police are examining the spot. The area outside Antilia has been virtually converted into a camp. Gelatin sticks are generally used for blasting purposes in quarries, but they have also been used for terror attacks in the past. However, they need a detonator to be set off and none was found in the Scorpio. Now, apart from Mumbai Police Crime Branch, the Maharashtra Anti-Terrorism Squad is also looking into the matter. Mumbai Police spokesperson giving more details about the incident said that intriguingly, the vehicle's registration number matched one on Ambani's security detail. Police are now trying to track down the owners of the four-wheeler from the chassis number and other details of the car. Police said they had also recovered a letter from the vehicle. An FIR has been registered in this regard at Gamdevi police station. Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh informed about this incident and tweeted that Crime Branch of City Police is investigating this matter. An officer who is a part of the investigation team has also said that the police has got a CCTV grab from Wednesday night which showed a white vehicle accompanying the Scorpio as it parked near Antilia. The driver of the Scorpio then got into the white SUV and then both of them left, leaving the Scorpio behind. Hunt is now on for also the other vehicle, that is a white vehicle. Apart from the gelatin sticks, the police have also recovered a blue bag of Mumbai Indians from the car, a franchisee cricket team owned by Reliance Industries. The police have also found a threat letter addressed to Mukesh Ambani and his wife Nita Ambani. The letter said, and I quote, "This was just a trailer. Next time the materials will be complete and we have prepared to blow up the entire family. Beware, good night." Now this was the letter, and this letter was marked by spelling errors so that it would be difficult to track the handwriting. The car was also stolen from Vikhroli area, police believe, and they said that it could be from another state. Moreover, the police believe the person must have stalked Ambani's convoy, otherwise it would have been very difficult for him to copy the exact number plate from Ambani's convoy. On the other hand, over hundreds of gelatin sticks and explosives have been seized at Kozhikode station from Chennai-Mangaluru Superfast Express. It is yet to be ascertained if the incident is anywhere related to the Mukesh Ambani incident. Well, that's all on this development. As of now, we will get to you all the updates on this incident. Till then, stay tuned to HW News. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying ₹3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.